Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val today from OUTU Community School of Medicine. Always so much fun to have you here. So I would like to know, if you are a potato salad fan, what can you do to make it healthier?
Okay, so you can swap out half of those potatoes for some cauliflower.
Perfect.
Okay, and then, so we're gonna go ahead and add some red pepper to that too to make it even healthier.
Okay.
Right? So, and that may be
And
in
it
your
gives some
traditional,
crunch.
yeah, and you may already use that, but, so we're gonna make a little vinaigrette first. So this is kind of patterned after a hot German potato salad, and hot meaning temperature, not spicy.
Right,
Okay,
okay.
so we're gonna just do some olive oil. We're gonna make the vinaigrette right in the bowl. Apple cider vinegar. Pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt.
Okay.
We have some whole grain mustard, and you could get crazy on your mustards here, okay? You could do Dijon, you could do spicy mustard,
Okay.
but this is a whole grain mustard.
So more flavoring, personal preference.
Yeah, and so any of those prepared mustards have vinegar and salt too, so
Okay.
just be aware of that.
So
if you're,
keep that in mind.
Yeah, trying to cut down on sodium, then maybe don't do as much of the prepared mustards as you do the mustard, ground mustard.
Okay.
Okay, and then some honey lastly. So it's a little bit of a honey mustard kind of thing going on there.
So you have a little bit of sweet
Yeah.
along with it.
So that's just going to get whisked together.
Okay.
And then meanwhile, we have been steaming some potatoes and cauliflower. Okay, so these need to be just about bite-sized pieces,
Okay.
and they are ready to go.
Now doing the half and half with potatoes, like me, I would just be like, oh, potatoes are healthy, it's a vegetable.
Right.
What's the reasoning behind cutting that in half?
Well, it's going to be a lower carb option, and you can
Okay.
use any kind of potato. So we're using a Yukon Gold or a yellow flesh potato, but you could use a red potato or, you know, an Idaho, which is just a baker potato. You can
Okay,
see
so that
that's-
doesn't make a difference of any sort?
Not really. I mean,
Okay.
it's delicious either way. We're going to use some parsley. You could use green onion. You can really add a lot of different things.
Yeah, just
to
alone
this.
by adding those, you've got such good color.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And so this is just going to get stirred together while it's nice and warm.
Mm-hmm.
And it's even better if you can let this sit for a few minutes to really absorb some of those flavors.
The vinaigrette that's in there?
Yes.
Okay. And now is this considered a side? Could you make this a full meal if you added anything? Or?
Sure. I mean, this would be a great thing to add some sort of chicken or fish on top.
Okay.
Yep. And you could also add some beans to this.
Oh, that's true too. So
Yeah.
if you wanted to throw that in for a little more of a fiber option.
Yeah. So I am going to just set this over here and let you taste it.
Oh my goodness, I just love the color of it. It's just pretty. All right, here we go. We're gonna try it and see.
It is a little warm.
That's warning
Learn
me,
the hard
warning
way.
me that it's hot.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, that's so good. That's very good. And it's a great alternative if you want to avoid, sorry, I'm still chewing while I'm
okay.
talking because I want to take another bite. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.